Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy ALin, and we back today with another video, man. So first and foremost, if you guys are new to the channel, go down and hit that subscribe button, leave a like on the video, comment down below what else you guys want to see on the channel, man. I'm be dropping a lot more sneaker reviews, sneaker videos, everything. You know, we're trying to make money this season, holiday season, this December, and there's a lot of shoes coming out, so there's a lot of shoes for me to cover. I'm gonna try to get my hands on every single pair to cover for you guys. If you guys missed the last video, metallic gold Jordan 1s, check that out up there. And yeah, man, let's hop into today's video. So today we are back with another sneaker review, and as you guys can see by the box in my hand, it is a Yeezy box. This one is the Yeezy 380s. The color code for it is Onyx, as you guys can see right here by the size tag. Come on, size 9 Onyx. And yeah, man, personally I wasn't gonna pick up this pair. I just saw them sitting on JD Sports and I woke up, I was like, yo, the people need a review, you know what I'm saying? The people need a review, so I'm gonna copy size 9. So here I copy size 9 and I have the shoes with me. So right here we have the Yeezy Onyx. Quick little background, 380s haven't been doing this well because the colorways that they have been releasing are trash, you feel me? The first shoe that they released, the ALins, fire, man. They came out with a bang. People was like, yo, new silhouette, Yeezys, fire, you know what I'm saying? Then they started dropping bullshit like Miss, Oatmeal, the Standard Third, and then they dropped the Cal sites, which is pretty cool, and then they dropped the Onyx. So personally, all black Yeezy, this is gonna be a disclaimer for the whole video. All black Yeezys, you can't go wrong with them. That's just, you know, 101 when it comes to Yeezys. All black Yeezys, can't go wrong with them. But all right, that's enough talking about the background. Let's hop into it. So this pair came out with a reflective pair as well the day before, but this pair is just a regular pair, man. So Yeezys, you know how the box goes, just slide it open, and here's the paper, extra pair of shoelaces as the new ones always come with, and boom, voila, here we have them, the Yeezy 380 Onyx. So first things first, off the bat, super light. Yeah, I'm holding them in my hands, super duper light. Like, these might be lighter than the 350s, but let's cut to a B-roll so you guys can analyze the details, and then I'll break down the colorways, man. Boom. So coming back from the B-roll, as you guys can see, it's a all black Yeezy. Yeah, all black upper. This is prime net with a plastic on the inside to, you know, keep structure, I guess. Honestly, fly net uppers should just be pure fly net. I don't know why they add the plastic things. Well, I know why. It's just so the fly net doesn't rip when you continue to wear them, you know what I'm saying? It has that extra support on the inside. And then the outsole is kind of like a gum outsole. It's not really super gum, but it's not black, so it's like black gum. See what I did there? Followed by a translucent midsole in black. It's like a lighter black, it's not fully black, so you can still see it. And then they come with like a special pattern like up here. I don't know what type of pattern that is, but it's a 380. And they do come with the infinity lacing system. Most Yeezys come out with this now. Actually, all Yeezys, and they give you the extra laces. I personally would throw the extra laces in. I'm a fan of the extra laces. But I'm gonna do a video on how to tie infinity laces, because a lot of people are asking me, and it's really not that hard, but people want to know. So, you know what I'm saying? I got ya. So, as for sizing on these, I would suggest going up half a size. It's kind of tight, to say the least, on these. I feel like just because the most Yeezys, like, you do have to go up half a size, and this is another case, just because like the prime net is knitted with the plastic, so it kind of like hurts if you don't have, you know, room in there. So if you were a 9, I would suggest getting a 9.5. And yeah, that's for sizing. Now comfort on these are super comfortable, man. Just like the boost, like this has more boost in it than the 350s, and it's just like the upper is lighter, and to me these are a lot more comfortable than 350s. I feel like 350s, they start pinching your forefoot right here. If that's just me, I don't know if that's just me or is that everybody else. If that's everybody else, let me know down in the comments, man, because that should really be hurting. Super comfortable. The prime knit is nice, not gonna lie. I just dislike the plastic part right there. Now as for the style, I feel like these are pretty stylish because you could rock them in many different ways. You could do a relaxed look, lazy, sweats, or stuff like that. But you could also, you know, dress these up, do like a little crop pants look above this, show some sock, and then, you know, pull off your swag type shit, you feel me? Now I already talked to you guys about the comfort, so let's cut into a on foot of these, or on feet, whatever you guys want to call it. Then we'll come back, wrap it up with the resell predictions and the final thoughts. Now a lot of people enjoyed the resell portion of the video, so I always like to cover my thoughts of the resell and how these are gonna do. So I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I picked up about 10 pairs of these joints, man. I'm gonna say it again, all black Yeezys, can't go wrong with them. So picked up 10 pairs of these, but I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I didn't pick it up for retail. So you guys probably thinking like, yo, what, this guy is retarded. I can't say that word. You guys are probably thinking, yo, this guy is dumb as hell. Why the hell would he buy some bricks that are going for less than retail on StockX? But I didn't pay retail, so who's really the dumb? You dumb. So I picked these up off of RSVP. This pair I picked up from JD, but I'm gonna be returning it because 250 is hefty. But I picked it up from JD Sports. But I picked up like 10 pairs off of rsvp.com. They had a 10% off sale on Black Friday, and they have free shipping and no tax. So each pair came to about $203. So I picked up 10 pairs off of that. And yeah, man, so obviously I bought 10 pairs for a reason. I think these can easily hit 300, man. Reasoning, all black Yeezys. All black Yeezys go up. I was talking to my boy Brent. He's one of like my reselling friends, you could say, but he's still like one of my very close friends, and he was like, yo bro, why don't you think these are gonna go up? Like you were saying in a Cop Drop or Resell that these were a drop. But then I was like, if I'm buying for 207, there's no reason why I wouldn't hold them to see if they hit 300, you know what I'm saying? Because if anything, I could sell them for 250. So I would suggest buying up these for under retail. If you know people that are selling these for under retail, I would suggest to you buy them up and then hold them for like about a couple months, and you should be good, you feel me, if you guys are into that investing stuff. Me, I try to move shoes and then I try to keep like some stuff on the side. But if you guys are into investing, I would suggest buying these for under retail right now off of people. Now as for my final thoughts on these, you know, say it again, all black Yeezys, can't go wrong with them. I personally have the Adidas 700 V3s, the black colorway, so I probably won't be rocking these just because like that's the pair I rock all the time, and it's super comfortable. The Ortholite midsole is like, it's lit, you feel me? It's like a breath of fresh air from Boost, because I used to wear 350s a lot, and those are super nice. So I have my black pair of Yeezys already, so I don't even really like need another pair. But people that don't have a pair of black Yeezys, I would suggest picking these up. And yeah, that covers this video. It's your boy ALin. Hope you guys enjoyed, and you guys make sure y'all stay safe and stay swaggy, and your boy's out.